Hello gardeners! Have you ever noticed tiny mounds of soil in your garden and wondered where they came from? Well, we have the answer for you. The culprit is a mole. Although we may not see these little animals often, their presence in the garden can cause quite a lot of damage. But don't worry, stay with us until the end of this video, because we have a secret recipe to quickly and efficiently get rid of these underground predators. And don't forget, if you like our tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with new ideas for your garden. But before we get to how to get rid of them, let's dwell a little on these fascinating creatures. Moles are small, subterranean mammals known for their powerful front legs, which they use to dig tunnels underground. Although they may seem harmless, they can destroy plant roots and lawns, raise soil, and create holes that spoil the look of the garden. Their tunnels can even cause indirect damage by attracting other pests, like mice and voles. But here's an interesting fact. Moles don't feed on your plants. Their main food is insects, earthworms, and other small organisms that they find underground. However, their lifestyle can cause huge problems in the garden, leaving you frustrated with ruined plants and messy soil. These little digging machines can disturb the roots of your plants, making them weaker and more susceptible to disease. In addition, moles destroy flower beds, orchards, and lawns, leaving your garden lost in small piles of soil. And now, for our main secret. To get rid of moles, you can make a natural repellent using just a few simple ingredients. Mix 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 teaspoon of liquid soap. Mix this mixture well and spray the areas where you have noticed mole activity. Castor oil acts as an irritant to moles and drives them out of your garden. Repeat the process every few days until you notice the moles receding. So simple, yet so effective. Try this trick and restore your garden to perfect condition. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.